Installing the heavy oil tank. It can be replaced with a framework if not needed. Now it's the drying drum, with 4 sets of friction drives, fully insulated for more even drying. Single-unit dual-chamber asphalt tank, independently heated, supplying each other for easier use. Cold aggregate elevator, primarily responsible for lifting cold aggregates into the drying drum. Integrated gravity and bag filter pulse dust collector with the lower chamber. Upper chamber of the bag filter dust collector. Upper adjustment layer of the asphalt tank, control room adjustment layer, and integrated control room with industrial control system. Weighing and mixing system. Powder tank. A double-layer hot aggregate silo was installed, making testing and debugging more convenient. Install vibrating screen. Integrated ladder platform, easy to install and convenient for transport. Next, install the hot aggregate elevator, powder elevator, and cold aggregate batcher. JLB series container-type asphalt mixing plant requires no foundation, with 3-day installation and 5-day production output. Environmentally friendly and energy-saving, easier and more cost-effective to transport and handle. If needed, please contact Shaanxi Roadbest sales personnel.